Hi, welcome to Lana's Kitchen. Today we're making a kid-friendly burrito inspired by my 4 children. This is a great lunch for them. They enjoy it while we've been home from school all these days. It's really simple. It's prepackaged stuff, so let's begin. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so here's your burrito, and you're just going to put some cheese on it, like that. I'm going to add some refried beans. See, like I said, it's really simple. My kids make this all the time by themselves. And then you add on some nice grilled chicken on top, like this. And then you're just going to roll the burrito, like so. It's really easy. Tuck it in. And there you have it. Place the burritos into a frying pan. Make sure you brown them on both sides or until the cheese is melted. Now you can also microwave them, which is really easy, for just about 1.5 minutes until the cheese is melted. Of course, they won't come out brown, but they'll be nice and hot. My kids really enjoy them with some salsa or sour cream. It's really up to you. And again, you could switch it up. You can either do chicken and cheese or just bean and cheese. You know, get creative. I hope you enjoy your burritos. See you again soon. Bye. The burritos came out delicious and they smell so good. I hope you liked the video. And if you did, please subscribe to Lana's Kitchen channel for new videos weekly. Thanks. Bye. This is how you fold the burrito.